Sorry little hearts, have a smoke, pour a drink, steal a kiss in the dark. Fingernails on the skin like the teeth of a shark. I'm intoxicated by the light. In the chill of despair, I am painfully lost, like a deer in the lights of an oncoming bus. For the thrill of your touch, I will shamefully lust as you tell me we're nothing but trouble. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. Fail safe trigger, lockdown call, wipe the drive, clean slate, quick sound the alarm. No escape from the truth and the weight of it all. I am caught in the web of a lie, and the bitch of it all is that I'm running from the desire of the people to whom I belong. At the end of the day, you can tell me I'm wrong, 'cause you went to all of this trouble. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. It feels like war, love feels like war. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. Hearts on fire tonight, feel my bones ignite. Feels like war, feels like war. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. We go together or we don't go down at all. Go down at all. Is this the
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials, you'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.